And Oliver's with me now. Many congratulations. That must have been very memorable.
Yeah, thanks very much. Yeah, no, delighted with that now. Yeah, we came here probably figuring we came the same route last year, and we finished here third last year. So going to Punchestown, I mean, afterwards. And as the ground dried up, and as I came here this morning, I thought just like walk the track, and the ground looked really good, and it's drying out all day. And I said this will definitely suit our horse because he doesn't travel that well. He doesn't jump that cleanly out of soft ground, in other words. But once he gets a piece of good ground, he's a much better horse. And I think we put cheek pieces on them. They helped his concentration. Although I have to say, early on in the race, he jumped a few fences, and I just thought he was sticky enough at them. And I thought, Tom, I'm wondering to myself, was the cheek piece a good idea?
Yeah.
And I had to change my mind on the last circuit, I have to say, and especially coming up the straight. And he's a peculiar horse to ride. He's an easy horse enough to ride to a point, but a peculiar horse to the extent that you cannot let him go to the front too soon.
Right.
Even the day he won his point to point as a young horse, like we remarked, like he went to the front and he wouldn't be doing a whole pile, and I wasn't sure whether he was tired or not doing a whole pile, but he learned the trade that way along. So we have to be very careful how we ride him. If he does get to the front too soon, it's not a great idea, So it was lovely the way the horse worked out. We were chasing the horse all the way up, and especially after the last, that was very important to him,
You've had some great days with him. I would imagine this tops the lot, and you've only got 10 horses, I believe.
Yeah, that'd be the most, yeah. Oh yeah, that'd be it, yeah. A few pointers and a few for the track, yeah.
And would he go to Punchestown?
Oh, please God, yeah. It's only 10 minutes, our local track's 10 minutes down the road, so.
And you're a neighbour of Ted Walsh's?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
It could be a great weekend then for your neck of the woods.
It could. And the best of luck to Ted and all the family. Oh yeah, I think it could be definitely it could be a good weekend, yeah. Starting well anyway, and I hope it finishes well, yeah.
Yeah, I hope you have an excellent night then to match this triumph. Well done, Oliver.
Thanks very much.